Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited today because I've finally got my hands on the MacBook Air. Not so excited about the color because it's space gray. I wanted to get the blue or starlight because those are the new colors. Now another thing about this MacBook Pro is what I had the option for. So all I had was this option, 16 gig memory and 1 terabyte of SSD. And this cost me over $2,900 for a MacBook Pro. That's Aussie dollars. So if you guys are new to the channel, I only do Aussie dollars, okay? So when I talk about stuff, it's always Aussie dollars, just in case you get annoyed and start commenting. Now, if you appreciate how much that costs, and I fund everything myself, so I've got a regular job just like everyone else, and I use that to fund this channel. So if you appreciate that, all you have to do is subscribe. Okay, like the video and watch some more videos. Watching videos really helps me out, and also if you really like stuff, you can super like it, and that gives a bit of funds towards me. All right, without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway and see what we should expect from the MacBook Air. Okay, so the usual plastic that comes with it. I don't know why they're still going with plastic, especially. Okay, so that's the box lid. That's the MacBook Air, very much like the MacBook Pro, how they've done the cutout for the Apple. So this looks exactly like a MacBook Pro. Unboxing. Let's look at this. So what do you get inside? Is pretty regular Apple stuff, I think. So just a MacBook Air setup guide and some stickers, I guess. Yeah, so some black stickers or space gray stickers. You also get a USB-C charger, double USB-C charger, so that's a 35 watt. I wouldn't really be using this, but what I would be using is the braided kind of MagSafe charger. All right, let's get all of this out of the way. This is the MacBook Pro. Let's see if I can open it without absolutely wrecking this paper. Yep, still can do it in a honest, straightforward way. Okay, so MacBook Air in the back. It doesn't say MacBook Air like the Pros. Okay. And another thing I've noticed, which is different, they've got cutouts for the legs. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. So those are the extra ports that you get. Well, with the MagSafe now, it's going to be extra because you're not charging. So that's basically it. Let me know what you guys think about this, and let me know what you would like me to pair this up against. I'm thinking of pairing it up against my upgraded MacBook Pro, M1 MacBook Pro with 16 gig of RAM. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye-bye.